What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula of cobalt 2 sulfate and how to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of this compound. Cobalt is CO, C is capital, O is lowercase. Sulfate is the polyatomic ion, is SO4. That's sulfate. The charge is to negative and the charge for cobalt in this case is to positive, so because we have 2 here, so I'm gonna write CO SO4. The 2 is gonna sit here and 2 here, but you need to reduce them, so that's why you need to write it as CO SO4. That's the molecular formula or chemical formula of cobalt 2 sulfate. Now I want to calculate the molar mass of cobalt sulfate. The molar mass, for finding molar mass, we need to find out first how many atoms from each element we have. We have cobalt, we have sulfur, we have oxygen. Cobalt, the atomic mass of cobalt is 58.933. Sulfur is 32.06 and oxygen is 15.999. Multiply by 4 because we have 4 oxygen. Sulfur is 1. We have 1 atom of sulfur and cobalt is 1 as well. So let's make it 58.933, 32.06, and here we have 15.999 times 4. That's 63.996, and then you need to add them. 58.933 plus 32.06 plus 63.996. That makes it 154.989 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of cobalt 2 sulfate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.